First here at 5, the plans from local law enforcement agencies to keep you safe on Election Day. ABC Action News reporter Rebecca Petit is looking into the preps underway and the changes you'll see at the polls.
Officers are taking an all-hands-on-deck approach. They tell me the main thing is making sure that the voting process is safe for everyone. Ahead of this high-stakes presidential election, local law enforcement agencies are planning to beef up their presence at polling places.
Patrolling the neighborhoods, patrolling our community.
The Pasco Sheriff's Office is releasing this video on social media on Monday. The Sheriff's Office tells me to ensure a constant presence near polls, it will be stationing detectives and special operations personnel. While Tampa Police could not provide its tactical plan, they say their real-time crime center will be monitoring cameras around polling places. The Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office says deputies are prepared to respond to any polling location if an incident occurs. And in Pinellas County, the Sheriff's Office will have a command post to coordinate its response with city police.
The county will be divided into about 19 different zones, and there'll be officers and deputies assigned to those areas, and there's polling places within those zones.
Sheriff Ball Gualtieri says this level of planning for an election is unprecedented.
In the times in which we live, there's a lot of emotions, and in some cases tensions, and we want to make sure that we're prepared for it. So we've never set up a command post. We've never had dedicated law enforcement personnel.
In St. Petersburg, some voters are worried about intimidation after armed guards showed up at an early voting site last week. St. Petersburg police tell me they will have extra manpower on Election Day should anything happen. Gualtieri wants voters to feel comfortable at the polls and hopes law enforcement will not have to get involved.
We don't want to be a strong presence there, so they'll be in the area, be around, but not stationed at every polling site and hopefully unneeded.
Law enforcement officials tell me they're not aware of any credible threats on or after Election Day, but they want to be ready just in case. In Tampa, Rebecca Petit, ABC Action News.